Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So we have an infinite string of capacitors that starts out like this, C0 and C0, and the total equivalent capacitance of this entire setup is C. And so this beginning string of 3 just repeats forever. And if the entire thing has an equivalent capacitance as C, then we take everything to the right of this line that's also the same infinite connection. So this also has an equivalent capacitance of C. So that's like taking just one capacitor, the equivalent capacitance C, and now these two are in parallel, so we can redraw this with C0, C0, and one in the middle that's C plus C0, because they're in parallel. So now we just have 3 capacitors connected in series. So the equivalent capacitance of C, we take the reciprocal of each, so 1 over C0 for the top one, and then 1 over C0 for the bottom one, and then the last one is just C plus C0. So this is 1 over C is 2 over C0 plus 1 over C plus C0. Now we just have to solve for C in terms of C0. So I can multiply by the denominators. So I'll multiply by C times C0 times C plus C0. Multiply both sides of the equation by that. So left side, the C cancels. I get C0 times C plus C0. This one, the C0 cancels, so I get 2C, C plus C0. And in this one, the C plus C0 cancels, so I just get C times C0. And now I'll distribute everything out. This is C0C plus C0 squared is 2C squared plus 2C times C0 plus C times C0. So now we have 3 like terms, and this is going to be 2C squared. This is plus 2C0 plus CC0, so that's 3 and then minus 1, so this is going to be plus 2C C0 minus C0 squared equals 0. And I'm just going to divide by 2 because I like the way that looks. So this is 1/2 C0 squared. So now we have a quadratic that we can solve. So A equals 1, because I made it that way. B equals C0. This is really the coefficient. And then C equals minus 1/2 C0 squared. So let's see, C is minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared. Now we have minus 4AC. A is 1, C is minus 1/2, so this becomes plus 2C0 squared divided by 2. So this is minus C0 plus or minus square root of 3C0 squared over 2. And we can simplify this, so this becomes root 3C0. Now, if we have minus C0 minus root 3C0, then we're going to get a negative answer, and you can't have a negative capacitance. So the negative doesn't work. We can get rid of that. So it has to be plus. So minus C0 plus root 3C0 is going to be, we can factor out root 3 minus 1 over 2, and that's the equivalent capacitance.